Hello, dear friend. Today we know about the best car insurance companies 2023. Which car insurance company is the best? It can depend on a lot of factors like your driving record, the type of car you have, and where you live. Have you tried asking for recommendation from people you know or looking up reviews online? You want to know which car insurance company is the best in 2023? I'm not sure which one is the best, but you could try looking up reviews online or asking people you know for recommendations. It can depend on a lot of factors like where you live, what type of car you want, what type car you want, what type car you want, and your driving record. What kind you looking for more information? The best car insurance company in 2023. It is tough to say which is the best since it can depend on a lot of factors like your driving record, the type of car you have, and where you live. That being said, some of the top rated car insurance company in 2023 include State Farm, Geico, Progressive, Allstate, and USAA. You might want to check out their website or read some reviews to see which one might be best fit for you. I am sorry. Car insurance. Car insurance is the type of insurance policy that provides financial protection for driver in case of an accident or other damage to their vehicle. There are different types of car insurance policies available, and the cost of each policy can vary depending on the coverage option you choose, your driving record, and other factors. Some common type of car insurance coverage include liability insurance, collision insurance, and comprehensive insurance. Liability insurance is required in most states and cover the cost of damage or injury you caused to other. Is an accident. Collision insurance covers damage to your own vehicle in case of an accident, while comprehensive insurance covers damage for things like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. When you are shopping for car insurance, it is important to compare different policies and providers to find the best coverage.